Hello there, welcome. Or should I say bonjour, bonsoir, bienvenue. So I was requested off of my Etsy store to come up with a Haitian flag bow tie cupcake topper. So here's what I came up with and how I did it. Here's everything I used. A small flat tip paintbrush. Now if you don't have a Cricut machine like I do, you can just Google a stencil for a bow tie and size it to about 6.5 inches on cardstock and cut it out for your stencil. I cut my bows straight out of the Cricut machine onto the foam, so I didn't need the stencil. You'll also need Mod Podge glue, some foam to stick your toppers on to dry, blue and red fine non-toxic glitter. So if you don't have the Cricut machine like I said, you would trace your stencil onto your craft foam and cut. You'll also need some food picks. So what I did was I traced a line along the middle of the cutout right across. With the food pick, I just traced a line right across. And that's gonna be your top and bottom part of the flag. So the top will be the blue part and the bottom part will be the red part. And that's your guide right there. Flip that over, and in the very middle is where you'll glue and attach the food pick. Then right next to that, you'll add a line of glue and fold over the right side of the bow. And you'll basically do the same thing for the left side. Your bow is complete, honey. Now it's time for the fun part, the glitter all day. Hashtag glitter all day. So you're gonna use that guide that you made earlier and glue along that line on the bottom portion all the way around the bow. Make sure to glue the inside of that portion as well, so you can add the glitter to the inside of the bow as well. squeeze. So let that dry, and then you'll be able to move on to the next side, the blue portion, and do the same as you did with the red. Follow your guide, get the inside of that portion, and throw that glitter on there. Now let that dry, and you're ready to move on to the next step. The middle part. So what I did was Google the image, and I scaled it down to, I think it's an inch or so. I don't remember. I'll put it down in the description bar. So I scaled it down, and I printed them out and cut them out, and just glue them on like this to the middle part. Boom, boom, there you go. And there you have it. There isn't any fallout from the fine glitter, so I didn't seal these like I would the larger glitter size, the coarse glitter. So if you tap and shake up all the excess, you'll be fine. You really don't have to seal this glitter, and it's of course non-toxic as well. And here's what it looks like on top of the cupcake. And I did send a sample to the customer, and they really liked it, and I hope you did too. Thank you so much for watching. As always, be blessed. Bye.